Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground.
Yeah.
How
We
we
are
there now?
in Panama
Panama City.
for a week and a day.
Yeah. So, on subscribe to our channel here, because we are doing it. So we are shoot a movie out in Panama. We want to get it. You know what I mean?
You know, we are doing 3 months here with real gun, real everything. Police, soldier, and get the whole army in Panama, no problem. Remember, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
JAMMIWOOD, one king.
Bunny dog. Bunny dog. Bunny dog.
I would have thought the song mumble song. Oh, yeah, friend, so.
Listen, I have to go to the box soon. No one carry rubbish in the house. Let's say one TV.
Yeah, boy, make you lie now.
See remote.
Say then tell me say about TV.
Let's say one TV, don't.
Yeah.
Alright, a TV this now. When I done a public thing, you hear me out of some smoke.
I'm glad. Let me see. Oh, long more on TV, me I tell you, man. The day me I feel that if my phone did me I feel look up in the sky like me an idiot. Nobody else have TV and we could have TV. This right now.
No, I'm a bit too comfortable when I go up on the girl.
You know somebody want to talk to you about serious, maybe if you have a serious conversation.
Go ahead, make our work. Talk to me.
I hope you don't feel no way about it.
Talk to me. Tell me what you tell me, no, man.
Alright. Me not get, me go straight to your point. Me not feel no connection with me and you. You know what I mean? Like, when we have, you understand?
I understand. You're not comfortable. Me see it, man. You come like you're angry for. Let me tell you something. You say you want TV, me give you one flat screen. See it over there. You say you want fan, me give you 2 fan. You say you want clothes, me buy a something that clothes. See there 1 suitcase of clothes. I make barrel come down from foreign. Me buy new sheet for them. Me give you money.
Listen.
When we not beg, me go harder than ever. When I deal with you, I don't know what else I want. I come go around.
I want to feel something.
Connection.
Yeah.
One connection me have. One connection, me not have no other connection. Me don't know if to tell you
make all of a sudden you get...
No, but you say you not feel no connection and me actually say one connection me have. Say if you not feel it, me don't know what. Me don't know what else to say.
I just can't bother with this one.
I have to go up on the road, though. Sorry about that, though. Sorry about the connection where you not feel, but me have to go up on the road. You hear me I say? Because me don't know how connection coming at this. How connection coming at this.
But what I say, you can't even say to me, say, alright, what you can do to make it better or nothing, you don't care?
So that no you for tell me what to do to make it can better, girl. You know what to do. I'm busy, I forgot to work and do everything. What else you have to say? I'm come late for people and work here. So figure it out.
What do you care? Marika.
Oi.
Girl, Moie, come help me do something.
What do you know here?
Me have to left Peter, girl.
Why you want to leave Peter?
No connection that did between me and him.
When me come here, Rita, me I come.
Or if I come Moie come help me move out my things then. Or
Me
if
soon
friend come
come.
from work.
Alright.
Yeah. Yo! Yo! Girl, push the door open.
So what the hell have you have people that don't mean you sleep?
Me chop asleep, girl, me tired.
Man should have come back. What you say happen now?
Me want to move out my things then. Me
You
get
not
one.
move like you want to move but just still let
Me
them
tired. Me rent a little room. Behind and back. Me not make you know. So every time you give me one money, me save it. And me find one room. Girl, me have to leave from out here because it just not work.
Where have you got already?
Me mean business and see my boss there.
You want your basket? You not
And me
take
see
no
my,
basket.
yes, see me clothes them. Can't left them.
You care for it?
You know what that the family,
You
married.
just don't say you're going to do that. It's going to break down.
Girl. We should have carried them TV to you.
Girl, come on, we come back for that later.
Someone in the answer your phone, man. We'll try again.
Yeah, we're gonna come around there. Now come around there.
God, no.
What's it? You still there, sir?
It's nice, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Clive.
Nice to meet you.
Put a smile on your face, man. It's a good day, you know. You're alive, man. But
Yeah,
just
I
pass and go some pass and come back and still there to stand up.
Frustrated.
Why?
I come to supermarket, come buy a little something. But just me new to the area, right?
Oh.
I try to call one of my friends to come for the things and I don't know.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. If you not get this money, me just come. We can drop you where you want to go, but me have to go drop off something I want to do. And then okay, well, simple. Me not in charge, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Each one help one. Right? That's our principle. Each one help one. Come through, man.
That's our principle, but I don't know where you are.
You don't need to know my man. My name Clive. This is my area. You can't lose. See it there. See me, but the camera there catch me and you there start talk. Camera there on the place. No look, come. Camera there. Look not the camera there. So, get back. Come on. Come on, go in at the front like that. Yeah man, put it on the back seat. Yes, man, know yourself, man. Burn it down. Yeah, no AC in the night. We tell you to buy it to put 9 car in, but there's doing about people things. Don't worry about that.
So, we can, I don't know. So you say I can move now?
Yeah, man, I'll drop it for you want to go. Come and get rid of that for a while.
So you can tell me a little bit more yourself about yourself.
Really and truly, you know. What you see is what you get. Fella already from me to down there. What's my name, by the way?
What's your name again? Clive.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I just me that. Clive all day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So, I just me that. I just a normal youth. Take the time I go and survive. I don't eat and I don't cheat. I just keep it simple as that, you know what I mean? So, if me and you there, and me and you run straight through, good. You understand? Good. Yeah.
So, let me ask you something.
But you know, say, things say, in a life still, you have to be truthful to yourself, right?
Yeah.
And to start a good relationship, you have to start it with truth. So, I tell you my name and that's the truth. So, everything you tell me is true. I don't want, when down the line now, me and you there, I come back and link you there. I'm there and next man I come knock at the door and maybe have to say either on a bed bottom or something like that. Because I've been in that situation already and I don't like it. A woman tell me say she's single. She and boy left and boy left her restraining order. You know? And only if you know say they in the house and the boy start knock the door. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And me. Burn it down.
You're well known man.
Yeah man, they know me. I used to do movie back in the days. Yeah.
What something I asked you though.
Yeah.
You have a woman?
No, you know. I'm free. Listen here. I have nobody. Right now, want somebody. I wish I would have there one place with no a massage your body. And you're my somebody. So you know say that not the near yet. Cause we just meet. So
Exactly, it's gonna take time.
what take a look at time. I mean that you would like that. When I rush, you know. Alright. If you give me on the first time I see you, I not take it. Mustn't know. I'm gonna say me abstain. Unless I want time like now. Like for half a minute. No. Like you know because now we now want to go down. Apart from that I would have never take it. The half a minute now?
No.
Alright. That's good one. See it come back out night town. So I want just now on the straight road your place there.
Yeah.
Just sign of the village, you know?
Okay. When I reach home money time, I want to bathe and freshen up, you know? Why my mother always tell me say, don't up and down with strangers. Right now me a fret.
No fret man, you talk about fret. I'm sure it's at my place. Come here, teach you certain things and all this from your security. It's at my place.
Your place, yes, but you don't understand. Enough things are going on this world, you know.
Jackie! What kind of CD you have there? You have a new one with the blind boy? Bad star boy.
I hear some man too, them man. We have them on CD already, I say, man.
Boy, you know, none of them pan for your CD them.
I'm not sure, but I tell you some hear some man song them.
You know, easy, you know. How much is that one then? $2. I can't find $2, you know, boy. Can't find $2. $1 then. Where you go talk? You see it? You see that? Yeah, man. The one play 2 songs with the blind boy. My go on good.
My going good, man.
Make the girl in my gyrate. No, man, I turn, man. I care about 5 partners. I just show me those, so show you so we know in the area. So at least somebody see when me and you. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, so show me and show you something.
I'm going to try calm down.
Calm down, man. Or you want me to do something that means that we're not stranger? Want we do something?
No.
Alright, so calm down then, man. Nah, no to you. If I like you, I like you, you know. If I ain't like you, I walk past and listen to conversation, you know. That me I tell you. I like you. More yourself.
Well, Tom, I don't like me car.
Them,
You look like me that out there so long.
yeah, man, I know it. To that like a holiday, you know. Looking at town. The town. No, scanty. I like a holiday. It's a place I was busy, so it's a holiday to the life. So don't worry yourself. You come up on the right time. You go see though.
Alright. Now relax.
Relax! In Jamaica. In Jamaica.
So what you say you're going home?
I'm going to pass something at Whitehall and then we can go anywhere you want to go. Just tell me pass go afterwards, alright?
Alright.
They have more things in your bag, you know, 2 bags or 3 bags you have to buy, you know. Yo, me tell you, 3 bags you have to buy.
Well, the time will come, no sir?
Alright, you gotta come. Just let me in.
Alright.
3-4 bags you have to have.
We say go. I saw some man stay now, no full of chat.
Yeah.
And when you don't get to man, them don't know how to feel.
Nothing no go so, we no full of no chat, nothing no go so. Anyway, I'll take the next turn in and go over there.
Alright.
I'm hungry to not eat no dinner yet. I'm gonna buy one food when I'm done. You want food too?
Yeah, come.
Alright. After I chop off, we go buy food. Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I know if I there, me come check you. Yeah?
Yeah, and thanks again. I tell them I really appreciate it.
Alright, so.
Can you take my number?
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Alright? So I
Alright,
must get
sir.
the fine. I must get the fine.
Drink them.
No, I must get the fine. Alright.
This man not easy. Alright. Someone face man. And Mr. Girl, me go outside if go buy something. When me come back, boy, I know say me reach back at the car, you know. Catch him the eyes one girl and a psst off of the girl. Pity you know say girl have an falls here, eyebrow tint up and all these things. Girl all bleach out and have a tattoo, you know. You understand what I say? And the same thing when you know want me to do, and what boy I do. I look, girl way. It's the same image where you know want me to be. Tongue bore and all these things. So tell me now, if you not feel love yourself and please yourself. Eh? Girl, you remember Peter, don't? Peter, girl, they always say to stick to the evil way, you know, right? It makes sense to stick to the evil way, you know. Me with my enough self, but I'm gonna take up next man, Clive, in him. Clive, me not gonna say mean, you know, he just exact. And me can't bother with the man then when me have to beg money. Me can't manage them. Imagine, you know, me and Clive stay with him. And if me want something, me have to ask him for money. Me not feel say so if you go. Me feel say what's supposed to happen is that if you talk to a woman, then you're supposed to know say the woman needs something. The woman need pad. The woman need
Soap for wash them poor kids.
same thing. Soap for wash them private parts. Cologne, roll on. Grocery need in the house. Worse if the woman not work. You get what I say? Clive, boy, I don't know. But you see Peter, I don't have to ask Peter for nothing. Peter no say ropes are ropes. Dirty Clive now go tell me say him only give woman money when it necessary. Imagine if me have me here for do and me say to Clive, say, I want to do me here. You know what Clive was say to me say? Guess you never tell me what the dirty boy go say to me. No, if I did that, he said to me that bad, I not so bad. Him love woman with their natural ear. Eh? Him love woman with their natural ear. Tell me what kind of man where their money come from per earth to stay so.
But say if you got the right now, I see one girl in her hair and eyelash and makeup in love with a girl. Man, you can't please man. Man will always be man.
Miss America?
Why me not tell a lie? You better go back to Peter because he well comfortable and alright. You ever do one this and that so. Go back to Peter, my love.
Miss for other day, Miss one little boy who I like. I don't tell no lie, I like the boy. I think when I give him a try like see what I'm made up of, hopefully not unlike Clive. I swear to God. But I see what can go on.
How much man for your body can take so? You know there with Peter and kind already one more man you want. No girl, me and your friend, like, nobody with the money business, you know. Me not in that. So you're not supposed to content about our next man. Going back to Peter. Are you sure say man the next one no mean like a Clive? Eh? Girl, going back to Peter. That's all I can say to you.
Well, girl, if this someone is still like Clive, all the next step I'm going to do is go back to Peter and just stick with Peter alone. Stick to the evil, what me know. You understand what I say? But me not feel so because him born March. Right? The new guy, what I tell you about, him born March. Clive born December. And Peter, of course, born January, like me. You understand? So, me not think Clive and the new guy stay alive. Hopefully not.
But no really, I'm not offer the way in my love. That's all I have to say to you.
Well, that they always say, maybe how you grow or how your mother grow. So maybe Clive mother and father never growing very well.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll go do a be careful. That's all. Want me to fix up if you check man. If Pete ever know this, he'll kill it 2 hours passport.
Then how am I going to know? Unless you tell him.
What that time me have? Girl, where take me from?
Come fix me up, come once. New man.
Stop
say,
move
you
a
know.
big head. Say God. I'm not do it again, bro.
Don't make a bad mind, so girl.
No, not clean, no bad mind. Me a good friend come here. Tell her to stay with your man. I left other man around.
What am I gonna
Oh,
say?
money man.
Or you can't come out of me here, girl.
If you tell the truth, your money. Come.
You stay there. When your money, you will have one for pay lights, one for pay rent, one for when you're here, one for do, one for buy food. So you can cut there.
Anything else, I'm love.
You need to try.
You're a good friend. Can you tell me if you're 5 man?
What do you have one? When I do nothing for you, I have 5. Maybe 3 out of the 5 we do something for you. You're not going to do nothing with all of them. I don't understand.
I understand.
You must take me a
Alright, get up on that chair. Go on by your business. Sorry.
bun bad lamb for me.
B. And I ordered some washing man at 6 o'clock in the morning.
No, I make up. Give me a makeup for buy one machine. Tell you that washing machine now.
Right now, I know I'm closing washing on the machine. I like when I wash it with the
You know
hand.
say hard, you're too hard.
No, man, I like.
You know say hard, you're too hard. I want mine washing the machine. I'm tired of washing so much clothes with my
It
hand.
just remind me of real country vibes. And my boss, I rode all the while.
Yeah, but that-
so
that's
my
a
woman
bad
a yard rubbing it to just wash my clothes themselves with love. Over my dirty clothes, them she just scrub. Me just love. You can tell people say, yo, and my woman
You
wash
need-
them clothes over there.
I'm tired of washing with my hand, man. It has messed me up. You can't well and give me makeup for buy one machine.
I'm clothes them wash with no machine.
Alright,
I mean a lot of madness.
lie down
because-
and wait, then go wash.
Wash, I know say you go wash them, babe. That's why I love you so much, you know. And no matter what, you always have to do the right
Then
thing.
go wash, man. Lie down and wait. I don't know why this man is and can well and give me money for makeup buy machine. Go lay down there and one thing close to wash, then now go wash. You know, so me there and me just have clothes to wash and me sit down and me a walk. Look on the clothes and me a mid the clothes. And me I say, no man, me can't wash someone's clothes again with my hand. You remember me come down the country and my hand and mess up? And you dress it for me? If something come off of my hand now, me can't go wash some dirty clothes with my hand. You can't give me a makeup for buy one machine. Yeah. Alright, my auntie, thank you. The family for love you, know. You come all out for me. Sometimes I wonder if I am my man. Alright, my auntie, I go come down there and link you. Alright. Wait for me now to come. Oh, you send it to me account? Alright. Yeah. Thanks. When I send you, just call me back. Alright. Yeah. Well, man, you're going to find somebody wash your clothes. So, girl, me wash out the whole of my clothes, then put on the line and dry them and fold them up and me put down. Make Clive him come back and chat to me about clothes. I don't wash no clothes because I tap wash with my hand. And when I tell him, say, give me some money for make up by the machine, him say I don't want him clothes buying and washing on no machine.
Make it clothes washing on no machine.
You never have to tell me that.
Bright up the boy.
Me love him, you know, I'm my man. But I'm sorry. I'm going to face him consequences then. Because I now wash no more with my hand. And in clothes them now go in my machine. Because I'm doing up to $50 on it.
When you come and say about wash clothes, ask him for money to go.
You don't have to tell me what I said to him, say. Let me tell you. Have this luck. Yeah. So what you depend on?
Yeah, I'm there up on the road that one buffalo back to the place. One circle.
You know nothing for doing, you're well free. Come like a rolling stone, get a no mass. Here I come there.
I'm so
Lucky
far.
Clive.
Wagwan, lady. Big up, friend. Yeah, you look like the sun worker.
Yeah, work, I dry everything.
Everything dry.
And put it on. Everything dry.
Yo, that's why I love you so much, you know.
Everything for me dry.
That's why I love you so much. None of my clothes in the wash. None of my clothes in the wash. All of my dirty bag of clothes in the top.
Tell him to stop wash with my hand.
Ah, then I'm going to wash them myself in the machine.
You know what? Stick up in. Other day, I tell you some more money to buy a machine. What you tell me, say?
But tell them, say,
You
I
don't
don't
want
like
the
when
clothes.
my clothes them washing machine.
Go work your hand now.
Alright,
Sorry.
everything good.
Go work your hand.
Everything good.
Not this. Brighty,
What other?
you want to decide some money? Clive, go work your hand then.
Anyway, now we don't money in us. So I'm going to go. Go check up a lady down the road and organize you and wash by tomorrow.
I'm happy for you. Big up yourself. Brighty, go put clothes in a machine. Bright.
Make it help you make up and buy.
Bright.
So I say, when I go for them.
Yeah, later.
Whether you're side woman, main woman need money. Woman is supposed to ask her.
Yeah, but as a man I no mint, we print money. Man work hard for money. So a one who want to stay close to his money, in chance to get out so. But then get out, you know, and the same people when get out to go laugh for you. So look upon him, they have things, you know. Him have things kind of go and make money. So they really have to try as a man to get the money for him. So when it's something necessary and you need of it, more have it. But you think you balance up yourself, you have look for food money this time. So I think you can balance, but if you don't have it, how do it now? Or yourself go down.
I don't like your mentality, but it's alright.
I got surprised when I did them now. It's like I said this and said that, but I'm surprised when I did them. I'll give you something you never expect. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah man, that is it man.
So you say we're going to eat.
Well, I never go down on the road to buy some food. Because as Pam said, like nothing in there to cook really. But in there can make a good meal.
Alright,
So,
makes sense.
go down on them place so we grab it fast. Right?
Alright, because I'm going to go bathroom. So, later.
Oh yeah, pat myself like me alcohol. What kind of pat in
You
that?
think too much, man. You don't mean nothing.
I wonder if you have somebody want to say that. Because every time I walk in a public, you deal with different, you pat me. And you push
What wrong
me.
with you? You think you overthink too much, not like that. Yeah?
Alright, this one come.
Alright.
Watch ya. Kiki. Oh, you know, Sammy and the youth them a play two them, you know. Oh no man, the men them there play but then gone. That's you know you are not done company. No man, two them there play. But then gone take a break. I win the game, man. A 6 minutes just a while ago, man. I play 2 more rounds, man. I soon forward. Them a talk about to organize upon Domino tournament. Big money go there night. That's just me from what they see me there go on. You know? Big money, Domino tournament. Me soon forward, man. There's more good time there. Babe! Yeah, man, me have a little thing for deal on the road and I soon come back.
Girl, but some my life more entertaining with this new woman when I talk to. You understand what I say? I not tell you now, when I there with Peter, I just feel boring, I feel locked up. Although he used to give me things and something, but I not tell you no lie. Something, it ain't that mesh with the two of we. Like no connection in there.
So what clever the tears on the girl? So excited about everything.
Girl, me can't explain. It's like I want volcano erupt whenever me and the boy they meet. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
No, me not tell no lie. Boy do something to me. And do something to me what Peter never do to me before.
That good still. You know, so I'm not go home tonight. Me I go check my man over there somewhere. Go over there so I sleep. Me not go. So me check your man.
Nobody check me a morning because I not go there. I just remember. I go on the road early morning. So you can't come like in a day. Nobody come in the morning. Come in over there.
Alright, no problem. We you not watch the Jamaican movie, so this a girl I can chat, sir. Anyway, turn it on so me can hear myself.
Oh.
No mosquito fan, please, no baby. Yeah, come.
I don't want now. No, go for it. Yes. Yes.
Oh, go on.
May I go on the road and come back?
Alright. Tired, those.
So make you tired, sir.
You know.
Later.
Later.
B, go lock your door.
Just put some there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pull the door, man. She not there.
Oh,
Go on.
man.
She just gone for a while ago, you know. Yeah.
So what time she'll come back?
She not tell me when she'll come back still.
You don't know what she'll go do?
No.
You not tell her how long must stay?
Or you gonna stay till she come back?
Might be.
Well, you're smile, though, I understand it.
So we can smile.
No, we're gonna smile still, man. So make yourself at home with your friend.
So we can lie down beside you.
Well, if your friend approve of that,
Yeah, let's come here, come lie down beside me.
with her. I get yourself info. Not really. Ted, I worked all night last night. I know. Working in the morning.
Anyway, me have to go grade before tea come.
Alright, so this is after the. You can't tell her, no? Because she's very jealous.
Me no want to. I just didn't want to test you out in her bed because she said good in her bed. I went with you. Anyway,
You don't want me?
No, me I go do it.
What do you mean, say no want me?
No, me no want you. I just did not test you out in her bed because my friend say good in her bed. Anyway, later.
What rematch?
No, we not do it again.
What a
You
rematch?
can do that to my friend.
KK. I pray cause I had pan. Yeah man.
Yeah, feel so far.
Forward man. I want to disturb you and your man one day. Live the day.
No, say no there, I'm alone in there.
Eh. Long time I not see man.
So you know say me I go on a vacation for 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah, me only for here, you know.
Yeah, but you don't have the places.
Yeah man, so I don't want nobody else place, you know.
No
You
that.
can carry 1 week, you know, say you have to have a woman, but
Brother.
otherwise, you know.
Yeah man, I know where you go man.
More or less
I know
fair.
you're not chat up to people. and
No,
everything like
stop.
that, you know.
Yeah,
So,
so I just
auntie?
wait. Auntie good, you know.
Long
Auntie
time I
play
not
out
go
last week.
Yeah.
You know, come, you know, look for me, brother.
Auntie, that
You just stay
woman-
far.
Mother didn't even tell me nothing about that.
Call with him, I say, oh, me not see cuz boy on the road or nothing. Nah, see, bro.
Yeah man, pray man. So when you say you
And
left?
I say, you take care of yourself, girls, and me keep it up.
Real.
Yeah, man. I don't know still, I don't know when yet, but I go make you know, because I have to talk to Beaver about that and then make you know.
Alright. So good. But let's come back.
Alright, I can check back later.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Check back later.
When
and
you
I'm
pass
in
me,
there.
I pass still, you see me?
Alright, big up yourself, my cousin. Take care of yourself, as I say, be safe on the road.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, look at it.
Yeah.
Go on, babes.
Like, just an axe for you and a big boss.
Yeah, man, Ben, give you a man. Doing good.
Yeah man, me think my cousin can heal up, you know?
Well, you can't go more than so still, you know.
She's right.
One rough gas up a wall one at a time, Ben.
Give me some of my work, you know man.
Yeah, man, it's like me I look for it.
Give me some for real, you know?
Yeah, man. One rough gas up here and get to power and but man, can mama pa want look a vacation first, you see it?
Yeah, so she had tell me.
Yeah, man, man, can go somewhere nice and she go enjoy herself, you know what I mean?
For real.
You can't deal with cousin and deal like good, you know.
Cool, no,
A
man.
good girl, you see it?
Where you go, man?
Yeah, man.
I pass through still, me I go up on the road.
Alright. So I go on.
I'm there right now.
Well,
It
everything,
takes so long to come back.
no, man, everything go through, man, so I have to ensure so we have a drive to go before we go, because I don't want to drive the car, you see it?
Oh.
Want something nice, like AC, music, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you go though.
Yeah, I'm there.
So we
When I
now.
was with the I could call you know. Take
Yeah, man.
time,
So,
man.
after that. Let rain go fall, man. Yeah. We go for it now. Wagwan. Wagwan. Yeah.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
I'm there now. You
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, you know, some around here yard with the clothes them we have to wash.
Eh.
Yeah, man, we carry clothes them in the yard a while ago. Alright, and now somebody called me, I have to go deal with something. So the clothes them there on my back. And they look a veranda something there. Yeah?
Alright,
But you're
babes.
good though.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just there up on the road.
Yes, so the money I give for buy the grocery them, it is stretched though.
No, sorry, not to that.
You know me don't want to do more than that, but me only could find 115 bills. So I know say when you're shopping at 20,000 you go. You know what I mean? So but me know say 15 bills to add up to 20, you can't find the next bit because I know say I saw you go. But you're a woman, you never broke yet. Alright? So anyway, me are good though, when I come here talk. But just give like me tell you already, you know. Anything else you want, you ask, but I just through the time, I didn't have the money for me at the time, alright? But I have a big surprise here when I did them, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright? Alright, so me check back in the liquor. See if I can, hello, put enough bleach on the whites in them and put no bleach on the colored in them, yeah? And no mix them with salt out the thing them when you wash them. No mix them up.
You know, say a face to do, but it's not easy.
No, I'm not fierce, I tell you what I want. Alright, anyway. Come on, respond me, of course.
So you need to tell me say my buy my machine. Really? Girl! What? Why you love me now? Really? Watch out. Watch out. I dropped thing this.
What?
No, Sam. I dropped thing this.
From a part of my mother, I never see a thing like this.
You know what kind of style this Clive come with?
Well, I love the door. You know, say you're a good friend. Stop saying something. You're a good friend. After me, then you have to face you get machine and look at one bag of dirty clothes. Right.
Come my phone then.
I'm going to buy it for you.
You get watch something there?
You know why you come and they come ask me that you know? I'm in the wait for you. I'm in the wait for you. Pick up the conversation and everything. You left box. You still like say washing machine.
Oh no, I'm not washing machine night. I want box. I sit on the red side. You want to cover your clothes coming on red fall and wet up here.
Your style is not good style. You know, me and my friend there, you know, me embarrassed, you know. Me and my friend there, you want to see me a jump and I see my man buy me machine.
But me never test me buy a machine though. Why you that thing so
You say you have one surprise to me, so me think
me
of
say
the
one of the
surprise.
day them.
So me not think of the surprise come.
No man. I'm close them just because I'm close to your wash man.
Me upset over the situation.
Upset
man.
of a machine girl. You see now? See them hands yeah. Them hands yeah. If you wash the clothes them already, give thanks to wash them though. I don't my clothes them there. Come into my clothes them.
Wash? Me not wash nothing for you, you know. You know pass your bag of clothes them around there so. I done me, I done you know.
You're not serious. I'm like that.
Serious as a judge.
Oh, so style me. Alright. You should have passed something to the line. See like that. Everything good if I say done. But remember say, the money I give you, go to market, I not go out it. I don't want no man come up and inherit it. So you want know, $1,500. If you not have here now, because you have no money for you, when I come back, next time I put it on one side, I get $1,500. Alright? Done.
Yeah, most mama man.
No, because I give you some clothes to wash, but I give you money to buy food and then you come tell me say, yo, you not wash my clothes, them, everything good. Right? Yo, everything good. Keep the
But
box.
make your woman in your
Keep
yard
the
wash
machine
your
box.
bright light. One little $1,500, but it's not easy.
Back one time then, you want me back. But when you want me back, you can't get me.
I want to look feel when I look for you.
I don't know.
You can chat them still link with pull phone and thing. Phone man.
Yeah.
I want phone, me they get it from one of my G then, you see me? Buy me buy from him, but like you know, me buy code. You see me, I want iPhone. So I say you can pull it, see the code it talks. So.
Wagwan, sir.
Yeah, the general.
Cousin-in-law, you good?
There, man.
Yeah, man.
I link him, man. I'm machine.
Yeah, man. Everything blessed.
Everything blessed. Look like you all on a new phone them there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Where you get it from? Look like you drop off a line, man.
Mo don't mind if I file line.
Shake you off a 1 tree.
If I did that for 1 tree, I would have shake you and get 2 more. Tell you, man. Tell you.
Well, you know you get it still, but anyway, I tell them I want a fast speed blender. So when you get the time, you find it on the road, you find it anywhere. For a good price.
Do right, man.
Yeah, man.
Do right, man. You don't know it.
Ah.
Yo, cuz. I'm
Yeah.
moving now. Just link me when you're active.
Yeah,
no?
man. I'll link him, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come on. That's why so many times I'm afraid, you know.
What are you afraid of?
Because they say show me a family tree and chip of the black and we fall for a farm black.
So my time I see with 2 years old, so my time I have big money in the house. No one ever say that money so I can go.
You take your money.
I don't know what to ask.
Alright, you know. You always go to your monkey story there. Mom can never say it when you're there.
No, man, if you go thief a blender, more. You know what one of them ninja blender there? I can afford it.
Yeah.
I know come on do I want start on
But if
blender
you're
business.
receiving stolen goods, they indulge in
Me nah receive it.
How you do?
Me a buy it.
You don't receive it.
Me a
stolen
buy
goods.
on a less
Yeah,
price
right,
and
move man and
discount.
go on. You're a thief with them too.
Mama, listen now.
You
Everybody,
listen what me I say.
this is a
Me not
country.
business about you and him. So no business about me and him. Him not thief, no okay come give me. I hear him attack. I send him to go thief blender.
Me not send him.
When he come and me I
Me
tell
say
him
if he
one
jump off
thing.
of the tree. Me
Yeah.
say if he sit
So
on
how
the
you go tell me
roadside.
say, you go on.
Me not think I rest him fine.
You go on.
Do your thing. You love pick up its slackness, but then that everything good.
Sweetie, what's up? Boy, you know how long I not see you? I say you're there foreign, look like you run off. You reach out.
Yeah, 6 months me there in a prison for.
Who? You sure a prison you did there or jail?
A thief in phone you give my brother.
I no thief in phone. What they say? A thief in phone?
A thief in phone they still no need it.
No, yeah, it is. So what happened?
When you give me the thief in phone and me text the person and call the police and police.
So I text person and I call person.
Then carry me down a station.
So what
And
they
you
say?
take the phone from me and say a thief in phone and somebody phone.
Don't worry yourself about that, mama. At least that's still, isn't it? Because right now, enough things me have to give
I
right
don't want nothing from you, no, brother. Because you're a thief, you know.
The thief,
No
me
one
thief
no
the phone,
thief
man.
in
I'm
goods,
to
you
you,
know.
mama. I'm to you, mama, you move, so. I want car me again next. Right now, I get some car for sell on some cheap price. And right now, I can line up one for you. Isn't it? After some of my profit. Tell my dog, say, yo. I swing up on one of my G, isn't it? I know I'm a prima, I have something line up for you, man. I mean, but you know, you love me again.
Yes, man, I love you same way, man, but me just don't want. Me just don't want nothing from you, see it?
But I was
I want a thief in goods.
Yeah, talk.
But then carry me back
It's
to
a
my
thief in
station.
good so load, no man. See, I want camera here, so man. I just look over there and I see one camera from your house, man. That's something nice for you, man. Know yourself, man. How you gonna know?
You know, say I shop me, I go do.
Hope so.
Yeah.
Alright, do your thing. Yeah, so I'll go and burn out a little material and I have to go for the ends, you know?
Alright.
Alright, little bit. Sexy up though. Like J-Lo's agree with you, I didn't feed you. Come on. I broke your little bag. But there, one second.
Hey, me have to tell the thanks to your machine. Me tell her helpful, boy.
See, so Bobby thoughtful, no? Yeah, man,
Cause me
yeah,
I
man.
tell you for the dirty boy Clive when we there with.
Oh, Clive, man. New man in your life. Things are go good.
Done, boy. I know you have greater things in store for me.
Of course. I no problem if you spend for a year, isn't it?
Yes.
Don't know a thing go. Let's do it.
Top. Right now, I'm tired. You have to go help me hang on to the rest of the sheet then.
I don't have no problem, see. As long as I just shit in them, I'm good. But right now, I'm hungry still. No food not there.
Yeah, man, my friend India cooks some food. So, yeah, we get food.
Alright, me help you then. Look at them now. Come here.
Care about around the sun.
That's all.
Yeah.
Anyone could manage this, sir.
No one. I love a man that help the woman do things. You know what I mean?
Oh, my style, you know, be. My style, man, jump in and then I can jump in. And that's what I'm saying.
You sure say my machine the girl about the
Girl, me know your things.
remember I know things look the same. Cause she can buy one machine like mine. I wanna know.
Girl, me know your things. Me come from
Alright,
where you come
where's the
from.
talking? Me have a paper, so you see the serial number at the back. If I see him serial number on my receipt, then I it. Come on, me in it for mine.
Alright.
I secure police to that boy, they can see him on my camera and say, him take my machine. But me do not know when carry go.
I'm not too dealing about. I follow you go right time gate and make sure you're over.
Me a bad girl, I'm not afraid, come on.
Me just be like, come over there. Girl, me say I want to say good day.
So you say I stay?
Yeah, me I want to look at
Hello.
Hi, who are you?
Good day. I have a stolen machine in my yard. I'm here to over here. So I have to check this. I'm here to over here.
Aye, no
Sorry,
stolen
ma'am, sorry,
machine
sorry.
over your lady. You come over me yard, boy, you stolen machine. Oh, do this a woman, yeah.
Alright.
What kind of
So you see,
excitement this
what you having there now, take them out. I want my machine. See, serial number, I have some receipt for my machine here. So I need to know who bring the machine over here. So who can my machine over here?
My
See
man.
it here. See serial number there? See it there. I see serial number right there. I go on my machine. Take out the things them out there. Come. Take them out.
Lady, me
Take
clothes
out the
them
thing-
a wash.
Take them out.
What is
So you
fun?
don't know me.
Lady, I don't understand how you dey tell me say you're a machine.
You know, say me receipt for my machine.
Me see it, but
Uh-huh.
I'm a man. Buy me the machine.
Buy
here.
from who?
First class, buy me the machine here. So me not understand how it become your machine now. What kind of excitement this for me?
Take your things out of my machine, girl. I want my machine.
And you want
Me
a
want my
machine and
machine.
you fit them out. What can I use it?
You know what me turn over this again, you know? You
So
know what me
wait
turn
there,
over this again, you
Let me
know?
ask you something.
You know what me turn this over again, you know, girl? Get the things out of my things. Let me get this. Get the things out of my things. I saw the girl stay. Eh? The ride with man. A man can buy the machine, have to thief them people, their family things can come give. First class, I'm a cousin. I'm a want my things. I go up on one look at vacation and come back and my things them gone out of my house come and fear yard. Eh? I want my things, girl. Take out the clothes them man.
What kind of embarrassment this first class bring down for me? Me not understand. No, me have to call first class.
Take out your things them out of if first class come here, I call police, carry him over here, yes. Call him. Any come here, police are come here.
Truly, I forget first class for the matter. Can me not understand when the lady a come on my yard with the excitement of how tell me say a your machine.
You still are not talking. Look at the clothes I'm washing in my machine. Look at my dirty clothes I'm washing in my machine. One young girl like you have some dirty clothes. But you want a machine. You know lie down with man. The machine, man have to teeth
Me
for
not
machine
even
can
get
come go.
first class.
Go take out the clothes out of my machine.
right now I'm stressed out. This lady here come, yeah, machine. After first class, buy the machine, carry come here. That's why I can't trust man girl. Cause man faithfully tell me say I feel machine and him buy it for me, carry come. And I been asking about receipt, you know? He say receipt good day and yard. Now me I feel bail out.
So, a fair machine.
The lady have a receipt.
So who she
And
to
sit down
first
and wait.
class?
First class for my cousin.
Are you
When
cousin?
I come over me yard, I go on vacation. I go on a vacation, leave first class on my yard. In which me have a camera on my yard, but first class don't know I have a camera there. So he took he took the machine and the camera, but I never know which one he bring my machine go. So that's why I not come here from come from a vacation. It's more than fine here already. I never know when to bring it go. If I look a bird, they pinch me, I find them come right there and say, over here for your machine there. I'm going to check the number. When I check the number, I see it. Because if you look on the back of your machine, you see a serial number on the back. Yes. Most people don't know, say, everything we buy come with a serial number. And your phone we buy come with a serial number if you pull your phone. And my machine number.
Let me help you take them out, pick up.
I do apologize, but me I tell you, me feel this to my heart.
A man, first class and a man for the there. I tell you, as I'm from a lady to a lady. Left the boy. He now got to teach people things to you.
Stress me, I
I
tell
see
you.
him think like this, you can machine box down there.
Girl, you have to chat my business or something.
Which Clive? Which Clive?
Or Rasta man when you Clive in drive an AD wagon.
Clive Farway, hello. Clive Farway.
Awa.
Clive Farway.
I don't know if you...
My Clive came from vacation today, we just come back. That the Clive there?
I'm not more than one Clive day.
Oh.
But-
I think I my Rasta Clive for around
Hello.
so. So Rasta, Clive, Rasta here.
Do you have beard run also?
Eh?
You have beard.
Let me show you my Clive. Can hold up a picture and take a vacation. This a Clive here?
Jesus Christ, girl.
Another Clive here?
Yes,
So, I got me to laugh.
What kind of salt is this upon me?
Yeah, Clive, I'm my man. Clive take me out on vacation. Yeah, Clive take money here now. Come on, I don't know. Oh, so you get the box of dirty clothes and I tell him, I'm not making wash it in my machine. You put the dirty clothes in my machine bag. And you get them, and you had a washer girl. Oh, you look at me, I don't wear too festive.
You know, so I don't like your style. And you say you're my friend.
Yeah, you're a friend.
You
But
finish
I
now?
chewed.
Hello,
You don't know machine you're finishing in my bath.
You want to wash out?
hurry up, because you can't believe they had a text me,
So
man.
you carry something from the carry one.
Hold on.
What is the problem? No, for sure. Girl, I want ball.
What do you want? Me tell you, stay with Peter. No, you want. You're going to next man. You see where you carry? This is this. Anyway, what's trying to be with them machine? They're going on the pipe here.
Just wait till I see first class, man. Me and first class go have out this. Eh? First class call disgrace for me.
I tell you, hey, I wash a girl. Girl, me tell you,
Miss.
stop make man use hair. Stop make man use the size of my wise up there, a nice brown girl. But me come out here, yard. And that we do no girl. See man with a woman a yard, I feel like the man will look the woman a yard to girl a road.
The man never tell me say have woman.
The man got tell us say you want have woman can go on some.
Make sure none of them not use you.
The man can't use me and me spend my own money. Man live with me and I buy my machine and the boy can't put in clothes and all that. And with it how much hair is. You know who is Kiki? Boy, your name Tia. Size up and wise up Tia.
See the machine there?
Thank you.
You come here to laugh off from me. I'm not in it, so just take time and go on.
I don't know something like disgrace.
Look at my machine up here, Saki. Put it on.
Hurry up.
Thank you. Boy, I shut off your mouth and me just. Sorry, then my friend was help me. You didn't see her when they come.
Oh, one black girl with the ear can rub over by
Right,
yourself. Oh, see her.
And you can't take to her here. She a bad girl and me a bad girl.
Look at them, biting the hand that feed them. I say, look at them, biting the hand that feed them. I say, look at them, biting the hand that feed them. Look at them, biting the hand that feed them. Them can keep and hide, but Jah I see them. Look at them. Them know themselves. Them know themselves. Tell them to show who them help. Look at them, biting and that feed them. Look at them, Jah. Look at them, Jah. Them a big pretender. We are righteous defender. Look at them, biting the hand that feed them. Look at them, Jah. We in Panama City. We in Panama City. We're going to the mall. So we will talk soon. Remember days when we used to play and fly plane in the classroom. The lesson will be taught soon. After we no cartoon, no flowers no start bloom. It's noon. Hey, look at them, biting the hand that feed them. Big up to all them people in Jamaica, but down to the ground. Big up